press-ons on my nails for an extended period of time. The longest I've ever worn them was about, I don't know, 6 hours or so of, an evening is what I've always done if I were to wear press-ons myself. So I'm going to actually try to last a week with these. And the reason I say try to is because they're longer than what I normally wear. And so doing simple things has kind of become interesting, like editing my videos. It's been really difficult and taking forever. So we'll see how long I can handle it. My goal is a week, and I will check back in a week and tell you guys how I did. I absolutely love this. The design on these nails, there will be a tutorial for tomorrow. But otherwise, the tips I'm using are this Bella Vena, I think I'm saying that right, jelly tips that are from Double Dipped website, and I will put a link to them in the description box below as well as my discount code. One thing I want to say before I go into actually how I applied them is that these ones aren't quite as flexible as some other ones that I've used, and so as far as like the C-curve goes, it's a little tighter than my natural nail is, and my nails have a pretty tight C-curve, so a lot of times press-ons are a little bit loose, whereas these ones are a little bit tight, and I can almost feel a cinching sensation on my natural nail. So if you have a super tight C-curve, these ones might work well for you. If you don't have a super tight C-curve, these are not it. But they got nice clarity. The box itself is really nice because they're very well organized and they have plenty of space for each one so that they don't get mixed up. Some other ones I've had, the box itself is terrible and you get 6s and 7s and 8s because it's a mess. This one is really nice in that respect. I just think that if you have any kind of a flatter nail bed, these aren't going to fit you very well. So just keep that in mind. Like I said though, beautiful clarity. They're just not quite as flexible as far as, fitting that C-curve as I would like to see. But, different things. If you have a tight C-curve, these might be the one. So I hope you guys like this video, and I will, like I said, check back in a week to see how I did with this. I'll see you guys later. Bye. So here we are. Here are those Bella Vena tips. These are the coffins that are medium. And so they come in 12 sizes, and that part is really nice because you get a little bit more options. So I'm going to fit my thumb first and just kind of press it on, hold it, see how it fits on there. That fits pretty good. I think that one is a 2 or a 3. I don't know. It's a size. It's a 3. It's a size. Yeah, sometimes I say things. But like I said, I think they aren't quite as flexible as I would like, just because usually I like to have a nail tip. What I'm looking for in a press-on is that it is super flexible and almost bendy at the part where it touches your cuticle, and then very stiff at the very tip of the nail. It should be very thin, almost like paper. How is this thing even staying together thin at the cuticle area? And these ones aren't. These are, in my opinion, these are too thick. So now that those nails are all designed, we're going to be cleansing my nails just like I would as if I'm applying a full set, which I am. And then I'm going to be applying my prep just to kind of balance out the nail's pH, and then my acid-free primer. And so I'm just going to go through and make sure that my nails, I pushed back my cuticles, I cleaned up my cuticles with my e-file too, I nipped off any dead skin that there might have been, like I said, just as if I were doing a fill or applying a full set. So I'm going to take my gel base coat, and this is one that is specifically made for press-ons, and I'm going to be applying a pretty nice thick layer down the center of the nail, and then holding that press-on in place and then putting it into the lamp. So you have to hold and press while you're transitioning into the lamp for about 10 seconds, and then it grabs on. So I'm going to do that for the rest of these, and then once they're all in place, I'm going to put them in my lamp for 1 minute face up, and then flip my hand over inverted, 1 minute face down. And that's really going to make sure that that gel gets nice and cured that's holding these nails on. Like I said, I am super obsessed with, actually I like the shape of these as far as like the coffin goes. I think that they're a little bit more tapered than some, which I do like because they just look a little bit more sleek and elegant. I just wish that they were a little more flexible, but that is what that is. So I hope you guys are super excited for the tutorial tomorrow, and here's Melody's reaction to this design. Miss Melody, I have something to show you. Yeah. Kind of goes with your nightgown. Yeah. You ready to see? Yeah. What do you think? Good. The Ariel nails? They are Ariel nails. Should I put those on later? Yeah. Yeah? Would they look pretty on me? Yeah. She wasn't nearly as excited as I was, but that's okay. I hope you guys love this little sneak peek. Like I said, I'll check back in a week and we'll see how I did.